Hey everyone, it's Freddy Tech, checking with CFL-TECH, and today we have a tablet, a budget tablet from Lenovo. This is the Smart Tab M8 with Google Assistant. So this device is a very low price right now at $79.99 on the Lenovo website. And it's packing some, lower end specs for the money, and you can't expect too much for that money. But for a budget tablet, it may just work out fine for a lot of people who just want something to use to surf the web, do email, and watch some YouTube videos, maybe light gaming. But I'm talking light gaming. This one here has an octa-core processor, HD IPS display, dual speakers, far field voice recognition. And this one here is the 8-inch display. And what we'll do is we'll open it up here. It has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. This is in the iron gray. So a light gray, I guess, or a darker gray. And it has these stands, so we'll see what that's about and see what's in the box. Now, I have the specs up here as well for you. So while we're doing that, I have those up on display for you. And let's go ahead and get this open and see what we have here. I think this one has a slide out type of display or box. Okay, I think there's a, there is a seal here. Okay, I believe there's one here as well. That one's already done. All right, and there you have it. Put that aside, and here is the actual tablet. Definitely on the smaller side, as expected with the 8-inch display. Solid feeling though, feels really nice. Not too slick, and there's that iron gray camera, which on this device is not going to be anything to write home about. So there's a sticker on here. It just tells you it's metal design, octa-core processor, IPS display, and long battery life. Well, if it's a lower end display, then chances are the battery in this will do a good enough job. So we'll put that aside for now, and let's see what else is in here. And we have the cable. It looks like a USB-A to C. No C to C. You have the SIM ejection tool if you have a SIM card. This is also the 3rd generation Smart Tab M8. So it looks like here we have the stand. And that be the stand. So there it goes. It has the pins here. A couple of pins. It's not magnetic from what we know here, from what we can tell. So there's no magnetic connection here. So it does just sit in there, and that's that. But hey, for the price, we're not going to be super picky. And then let's see what else we have here. This is probably going to be a charging brick and cable. So this is going to be another USB-A to C or mini C. And we have the brick itself for the power. And let's see, this one. See if it has any other details. I think it's 10 watt, possibly. We'll look at that in a little bit. But that's pretty much it. That's what's in the box. And that will be your tablet. And what we'll do here is we'll take a look at it. And I think there's there's nothing else on there. Let's see if it powers on. It sure does. And we'll see what we got here as far as when it boots up and what we get. We're gonna get probably the start screen with the location and all that. Little animation for Lenovo. Now this device, of course, is not going to be anything spectacular because it's $80 right now. It's normally $140 range. They are out of stock right now, so here's your setup. So what we'll do is we'll do a little setup here. We'll get back with a video on this with, this is just an unboxing. We'll do another video soon on the actual device, and we'll move around it a little bit and see what we think. But right now it looks like it's a good little fun tablet to have around the place, around the house, and something you may not worry if you have children. This will probably be a good device if you want to give them a lower end budget tablet and you don't have to worry as much. It feels pretty solid, I'll say that. So that part, the metal construction is pretty good. So if you're looking for something cheap, now this is the 3rd generation, the 4th generation is out. So this is why the price has been reduced. They're getting rid of these for their inventory. They are out of stock on the Lenovo website as of today of recording. Now they say there's more coming, so we don't know, but check back. We'll have the link to the website in the video as well under comments, description section. So please put your comments down below, see what you think of this device. And again, thank you for watching. As always, CFL-TECH will be checking out of this one soon, be checking back with another video soon, and hopefully you'll stay tuned for more streaming videos. We have a lot more content coming. Channel continues to grow. We do appreciate everybody who's subscribed, and we look forward to continued growth. And hopefully everybody's doing great. CFL-TECH checking out now. We'll be back soon with another. Take care, everybody.